Have you ever felt overwhelmed by scattered data in your organization? You're not alone. Many businesses are struggling with data fragmentation and operational silos. This can seriously hinder efficiency and agility in today's competitive market. To tackle these challenges, companies must embrace AI-driven workflows. The AI Agent Workflow Orchestration Handbook is your ultimate guide to this crucial transition. So, what are data silos? They occur when separate systems fail to integrate. Each holds valuable information but leads to inefficiencies. The first step to overcoming this issue involves a structured assessment. This means inventorying your data sources, mapping processes, and engaging stakeholders. Now, let's create a unified AI-driven orchestration framework. Start with key principles. These include an event-driven architecture, standardized interfaces, and dynamic routing. This foundational structure enables real-time coordination among AI agents, RPA bots, and human users. To visualize a typical workflow, imagine this. It all begins with event ingestion. This is followed by pre-processing validations. Next, the decision-making engine routes tasks seamlessly. These tasks are executed through various agents. Meanwhile, monitoring and alerting mechanisms ensure compliance and governance, enhancing resource optimization. Integrating AI agents elevates your workflows. They bring adaptability thanks to machine learning, natural language understanding, and robotic process automation. This transformation can significantly boost operational efficiency and decision-making. Continuous learning and optimization are also essential. Measure your impact using quantitative metrics and user feedback. This will help refine your workflows over time. Empowering your teams to work together fosters alignment and sparks innovation. In summary, adopting an AI-driven orchestration structure is critical to thriving amid data complexity. This approach leads to improved agility, compliance, and a competitive edge in the market. If you're ready for more insights, be sure to check out the complete AI Agent Workflow Orchestration Handbook. Start transforming your business today. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.